Might be one of my new favorite companies. You know, I'm not going to advertise a product unless it's something that I'm going to use that I believe in. Springtime is here. That means gardening. Now, you've seen me build the beds. You've seen me build them out of pallet wood. You've seen me build them out of fence pickets. You've seen me build them out of a reclaimed deck. You've seen me build them with metal, but you've never seen me build a prefabricated cedar wood raised garden bed. Now this is a raised garden bed. It is 6 foot long, 2 feet wide, and about a foot deep. It does have the slope inside here, which I like the slope. And the reason that I like the slope is because you do have the 2 feet up here of planting space. But when it comes to filling this, you don't have the straight down. The roots are going to go and collect towards the center. Now you do have this bag that comes with it, so you can fill up with all of your dirt, and you don't have to worry about the soil and dirt, you know, impacting the wood. Even if it did impact the wood, it's really not that big of a deal because it's cedar. If you've ever worked with cedar, cedar is super moisture and water resistant. This is actually, I built this about a week ago, and it's just been sitting in the sun, baking in the sun. I haven't had any issues with it. We're still trying to figure out what we want to put inside of it. We've been talking about strawberries. We've also talked about herbs. Even carrots have been thrown out there, but we're not quite sure what we want to do with this one. Now it does come, everything comes labeled. The instructions are super, super easy to follow. It does have all of your screws. So it's going to come with all the screws that you need. It's going to come with any kind of bolts and nuts that you need. It's really difficult to mess up putting it together. The instructions are very, very clear. Now this again is made by Garvee. I'm going to have the link down in the description below that you can go to Garvee and purchase this. They also do have the metal beds as well. They got a ton of different stuff, so just check out the link down below. It might be one of my new favorite companies. You know, I'm not going to advertise a product unless it's something that I'm going to use that I believe in. I think this one is good. And one of my favorite parts about this is, now granted, it doesn't have the soil inside of it, but after I put this together, it doesn't require 8 million people in order to move the garden bed. So I'm thinking about putting it over there. That spot gets even more sun. So what do you think? Think that's a good spot for it, or should I leave it over here? Also, what do you think I should plant inside of this? So I'm going to leave the discount code below in the description. So let me know. What should I plant in the Garvee Cedar Raised Garden Bed? Or as I like to call, an elevated garden bed. I need to know. Help me out. Check out the link down below. Let me know what you think we should do with this. Oh, I almost forgot something. Check this out. So it does come with the little hooks. It may not seem like a big deal, but you can hang your gloves on that. You can hang your trowel. You can hang your cat claw. It's easy. It's not super expensive. It's durable. It's made out of cedar, which is one of my favorite woods to work with. I could build it, but the time that it's going to take me to build it, it's actually cheaper just to buy it. This is something that makes sense for my garden, probably your garden as well. So check it out down below. What you think? Enjoy Homestead. And leave a comment, man. Let me know.